coming up. Wow, I really like all of them actually, but I'd say the third one is the most striking in my opinion. So what, as part of this prompt, is actually essential, and what can we get rid of but then still produce a very similar result? So let's see that in action now. First, there's a few things to consider, and it starts with choosing the right settings, followed by entering a regular prompt with Imagine, and then clicking Upscale, and then clicking Zoom Out 2x. To utilize 5.2, you just type in settings, press enter, and then you've got all of these options here. So 5.2 is the default, it's on right now, and raw mode usually works best for cinematic stills from what I find, especially if they have more detail. Wow, that's incredible, so good. The second one is the most realistic looking though, so I'm gonna go with that. So let's go with U2. Now let's do zoom out with 2x and let's see what happens. This does really well. When you've already got a lot of depth in your image and you want to add even more depth, and it's almost like overwhelming, it takes you back, you know? So, and we've got these results. So that's pretty good. That's added a lot of depth. I think the most realistic one, I don't know what's happened there. That's strange. I think the most realistic one is probably this one here. Yeah, that seems to be the most realistic. So let's do that. Scale that. Wow, this is nuts. Wow. That is insane. That's incredible. I'm struggling to contain it here. You have to help me. I'm absolutely bewildered. In terms of the most realistic, I'm gonna go with the first one because it's like two paths that are surrounding the main image, which is incredible. Yeah, that just looks incredible. That's like a bonsai type of tree, and they're regular trees there, and you don't even know where that leads to. So it's got like a certain allure and mystery behind it, which is brilliant. So now we're going to try another example of a portrait this time and see what comes back. So I've taken this idea from a previous version that I did here, and this was from like Midjourney version 5, so it's quite a while ago in April, and so I'm now just gonna make an updated version of that, but then add the zoom out feature. But before I do the zoom out feature, you can see it's a very long prompt. So what, as part of this prompt, is actually essential, and what can we get rid of but then still produce a very similar result? So let's see that in action now. So you type shorten, you just copy that prompt. It tells you a breakdown as well of what parts of the prompt are useful and what parts of the prompt are not. So it's given you 5 variations of shorten prompts. So close up at night, neon Russian woman, realistic landscape, for expressive, accurate skin, traditional oil, high quality, winning, dull, boring, ugly. So these 5s and 4 are weights which I'll be getting into in a future tutorial, so stay tuned to that. But for now, yeah, just know that these are the 5 different variations. So let's go with the third one, and obviously aspect ratio again, AR 21:9. Oh yeah, you can do that as well. Sometimes you will trigger the bot to say that you're violating the terms when I'm clearly not in this case. So you just appeal it, and then, you know, appeal has been accepted. So that's that there. Wow, I really like all of them actually, but I'd say the third one is the most striking in my opinion. So let's go with that. And now let's do, again, the zoom. It could be like a movie poster, it's that good. It's so good. Yeah, I'd say the third one I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go for the third one. So that's the upscaled image of that. I think it's done a pretty good job. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And also, if you've got any interesting prompts that you found as well that you believe could be of help to others, then feel free to comment down below. Now, my mission here at AI Evolved is to make AI as common and as intuitive to use as a laptop, generative AI that is, for now. The mission will evolve over time, but at least for now, that's my mission right now. So yeah, feel free to comment down below and help others in the process. I'm gonna stick with that one. I'm gonna do zoom out again, and let's see what happens. It's gonna be fascinating. Wow, there's different cities in the background. That's unreal. That must be like, yeah, Russia, of course. That seems like it's in China somewhere. I don't know where that is. And that seems to be like a canary wolf depiction. That's so epic. It's just incredible. It's like movie shot, cinematic kind of shot. It's incredible. Wow. I like the second one. So lastly, it's come back with these 4. So there's subtle differences between each of them, of course. So there's that monument there, that's not there. She's like leaning, it seems, across something there. It seems as though it's like elevated, whereas there it doesn't seem like it's elevated. It's like as if she's just standing in the middle of the road. I personally like that first one the most, so I'm gonna go with that one. That's the prompt. I'll be including that in the description. And yeah, did you know, as a result of reaching it this far, you are actually part of the 20%. You're the 20% club. Screw it, I'm actually gonna call it the 20% club from now on. Thanks for watching, and I will be doing something quite exciting when I reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to hear about that and you want to get involved on road to achieving that goal, then hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and you enjoy my videos and you find them valuable. But other than that, if you're just here for the bants, then it's fine. You know, I can't force you to subscribe, god damn it. Can't make you do that. But anyways, just I hope you enjoy this journey with me, and I've been Vay, and see you next time.